Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all will be alright. So today we are going to start chapter number 7, that is random variable and probability distributions. And the book I am following is Emporium MCQ Statistics. So let's begin, but before starting I would remind you that please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's start MCQ number 1, that is discrete random variable is real valued function defined on a dash sample space, discrete sample space. MCQ number 2 is we are having a statement and we have to tell that what is it equivalent to. E, and we have ax plus b in a multiplication is equal to aex plus dash ex. Okay. Now we have MCQ number 3, that is if ax is equal to dash aex. Okay. Now we have MCQ number 4, that is if ex is expected the value of x, then ex minus ex is equal to 0. Okay, now let's move to other MCQs that are okay. MCQ number 5, we have the variance of random variable of x, then variance of x is equal to ex minus x square is equal to e dash x minus 4 whole power 2 or square, you can say. A random variable may be dash, discrete or continuous. The basic random numbers are 0, 1 to 9. Okay, means 1 to 9, 0 to 9 you can say easily. 2-digit random numbers are 1 and 0. Number 9th MCQ is the time taken by athlete to run 400-mile race in SAF games is dash, continuous data. So this is actually a continuous data. The mathematical exception of x plus y is equivalent to or equal to ex plus x. Now we have 11th MCQ, that is dash are the numbers obtained by some random processes. Random table are actually the numbers that are obtained by random processes. Now we have MCQ number 12, that is experiment in which outcomes vary from trial to trial dash variable. Number 13th MCQ, we have random numbers are used for selection of random space. Here we are discussing the use or function of random numbers. Number 14th MCQ is a function probabilities that a random variable of x has a value less than is called dash distribution function. 15th MCQ is a random variable is that whose value is determined by the outcome of random experiments. After that, MCQ number 16 is a continuous random variable which can assume all possible values on a scale is given dash interval in a given interval. Okay, a random variable is dash a function. Number 18th MCQ is random numbers are also called dash random digits. Numbers are also called as digits, so here we have random numbers, so that will be called as random digits. Now we have MCQ number 19, that is hourly temperature recorded by Weather Bureau is the example of continuous data. It is actually continuous data, and the example that was of athlete was also the example of continuous data. Number 20th MCQ is the number of defective bulbs in is a lot of example. In a lot is example of discrete variable. Okay, defective bulbs. Here we have defective bulbs. So this is example of discrete variable. Okay, we are hearing where we are denoting here number, and here we are denoting here the condition. You can say according to me, like I had understand this thing. Number 21st MCQ is VAR is equal to K square VAR. Okay. Now we have MCQ number 22, that is if A and B are constants, then variable of A plus Bx equal to dash B square variable or variance x. Okay. For 23 MCQ, we have for two independent random variables x and y, variable x plus minus y is equivalent to dash or equal to variance x plus variance y. Now we have for discrete random x, the expectation of x, i.e. ex, is equal to summation x plus bx. Okay. Now we do have MCQ number 25, that is coefficient variation CV is given by standard deviation up by mean multiplied by 100. So this is the formula of coefficient of variation. In the end of after the end of MCQ, we are having a lot of formulas, a lot of questions, and if you guys want that questions as well, so mention in the comment box. I will make the videos of that as well. Okay, now number 26 MCQ is a discrete probability distribution may be represented by dash all of these like a table, graph, mathematical equation. So discrete probability is actually discrete probability distribution is actually represented by a table as well as a mathematical equation. Along with it, it is also represented by a graph. So here the option will be all of these. Number 27th MCQ is if C is non-random variable, the EC is dash only C. Now we do have MCQ number 28, that is for a random variable x, ex is dash geometric mean. Okay. Now we do have MCQ number 29, that is the probability of function is always non-negative. MCQ number 30 is probability of occurrence of an event lies between dash 0 and 1. MCQ number 31 is probability distribution for a random variable is also known as distribution function. Now moving towards MCQ number 32, we have total area under the curve is probability of density function is 1. 33rd MCQ is for a probability density function PDF, probability density function, the probability of single point is 0. MCQ number 34 is the distribution each fx is represented by px and we have the sign and x. Okay. Now we have MCQ number 35, that is what is the probability that a ball drawn at a random form jar. Okay, so its option is cannot be determined from the given information. Means we cannot determine the probability in this condition. That condition is like that a ball is drawn at random from a jar. कोई बॉल जार से गिर रहा है तो उसकी हम प्रोबेबिलिटी कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो हेयर वी हैव ऑप्शन कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड फ्रॉम अ गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. Now we have MCQ number 36, that is for distribution function fx, f minus summation and f infinity is equal to 1. Okay, I hope you just get a lot from this video. I again remind you, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.